It says there's a cop marked on Waze up there.
It just doesn't stop. My God.
It should hook up.
We'll see. God damn.
My screen just went completely black. Hello? Yep. Jake's dog pissed on my car. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video. Appreciate y'all tuning in, man. We're actually about to go out and do a little fun run. And this fun run has been requested time and time again, where we are gonna take Hades versus Apollo. Unfortunately though, I don't have a tire, so we can't do like 40 rolls or anything. So I think we're gonna try to do another 60 roll, try to get a good one in. And if you guys saw the last video where I raced Brandon Ruby, that was such a good race. Just for the fun of it, we're gonna see how they do today, and we're gonna go right into a quick little overview of each car. Sounds like the magic school bus rolling in.
Talk about it.
Are you here to pick me up?
Yeah. School bus is here, baby.
Jesus, dude.
That's a freaking race car, baby.
Why don't you tell them your setup though, just so they know what you're rocking with.
It's a ported Cobra Jet, manifold, VMP monoblade. Shout out VMP. This monoblade is absolute gas.
And you're actually one of the only people I've ever heard of
with the
running
monoblade
this setup.
Because the new Cobra Jet, as you guys see, go look up that one. They added like a separator for the twin jets because most people can't tune the monoblade for some reason. But Revolution Automotive is got my car absolutely dialed in, and then the shake and bake sticker adds another 50 to 100 wheel, and then obviously we just made a custom intake pipe. But
And for those of you that don't know, Hades setup has a ported 18 manifold with LTH 1 and 7/8 long tube headers going back to a valved exhaust. We have our Apex cold air intake here, and the car is on E85. So as far as the NA build for this is probably going to be where it sits until it gets boost. But I mean, I'm pretty happy with it, honestly. It feels good. We're going to get some revisions done with Palm Beach Dyno. I'm still slacking on that aspect, and yeah, next time we throw a tire on this, we're going to be able to do some 40 rolls. That should be some good stuff. So we just pulled Hades into the garage. We're actually going to slap on Colin's VMS drag pack on the rear here, because I did travel with my street setup, and this thing doesn't hook worth a shit from a 40. So we have Colin's car over here. I don't think you guys have seen this either. We might have to do a video on this, but got the VMSs as well. Grabber blue metallic, right?
Yes, sir.
Hells yeah. All right, let me get your bead locks.
I think they're fresh.
I don't know.
Look at Pete out here flexing the GTR. It's come out of hiding. Taking the rice burner off today, huh?
You ready to get gapped?
Oh God, you gotta ride with him though? That's unfortunate.
60 rolled in?
Yeah, we'll give it a try.
A little bit of fun action.
Yeah.
This isn't an official race. This is like a pre-race. So the official one will probably be at the drag strip, and then 140 roll to actually
Yeah, I told him if I had tire and shit, we could definitely do some 40s as well, but give her a little third. It should hook up.
We'll see. God damn!
Not bad, hooked up. That's all we needed.
Yeah, I'd say it hooked up. I think you screech a tire more when you hit the brakes versus when you hit it.
It's coming up Pete a little quick.
Yeah.
That's one car I don't want to wreck into.
No. Actually, there's a cop right there.
Where?
Right there. It was the white one unmarked. Yeah.
All right, hold on, just chill out for a second. Let him go.
I was saying, now's the time.
Now?
Yeah. speed for speed. You gotta know what to do.
I don't know the f***ing road, so we actually have another unmarked right here. We're just trying to play it cool right now because it's definitely a little hot.
You said what? Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, really? It just doesn't stop. My God. God, this thing just doesn't stop. Hey, did it look like my took off there? Yeah, squatted.
What gear did you hit it in?
Second.
Yeah, I f***ing wish. I'm gonna put f***ing Wayne's body into the woods if I try that.
That's not a good plan. I keep telling myself I'm gonna wrap my shit around a tree one day.
It says there's a cop marked on Waze up there.
Really?
Yeah.
Jesus.
My screen just went completely black. Hello? Dude, I think it's chalked. I think it legit just shit the bed.
Get out.
Bro, I have no power to it.
Do your modes still work?
Yeah, my modes are controlled up here.
Oh,
Yeah,
because
those
the
still work.
knobs.
Oh, I know what you're saying.
Nothing? Oh! I
What
got
the
the
fuck?
magic.
Ford, I'm with a Camaro owner right now. You cannot be doing this to me, bro. I'm over here talking my shit. Why you should have a Mustang and my shit breaks. We got Wayne, right?
What's up?
And Wayne here though is a Camaro owner, man. What's up with that?
Hey, you know what? I didn't get the memo. We all wanted Mustangs, but my grandfather used to rebuild Corvettes, so he's actually got a 2018 Z06 with the Z07 package. Bought it for him a couple years ago. It just crossed 1,000 miles. It's a
Oh
crunch.
wow. How you liking the you have a 1LE SS, right?
Yeah.
How you liking that?
I love it. The problem is now that I'm getting past full bolt on, that's when the
Yeah, it's becomes
motor doesn't hold like a
Bro, what the fuck is
another
happening?
C8. Everyone's out to
Everybody in
play.
this neighborhood has a C8.
Yeah, what up? Everyone's coming out.
I didn't
tonight.
show you guys the white one. We legit just passed one that like Jake had just now, and then the blue one was on the right.
Everyone in this neighborhood just wants to smoke. They heard us all
Literally.
show up and they wanted a piece of it. But no, I love it. If I had to do it again though, let's get a ZL1.
Yeah.
Or I was telling Jake, a dark horse is not out of the question.
Dude, I've been considering those too, honestly.
Lord.
That's a different type of speed. You ever ridden that thing?
No.
Bro, I'm telling you, when he hits it and it hooks, and you have like 1,500 horsepower and a GTR just hits you at once, it like put my stomach in a pit. It was just so violent. It's nuts. Let's see what he says. How is it?
Oh, there goes Pete. Oh my God, boy.
All right, so we just got back to Jake's.
Oh, wow.
How was it?
Wow.
Yeah?
Wow.
It's different, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just
We put
insane.
on that 4 and let her rip.
Good little 60 rolls right there. Kind of expected that outcome, but hey, I'm stoked with it for real. It's the leaf catcher. So if you guys need your leaves picked up, hit me up. Oh, yeah, you know what this means though?
Oh my god, that's my dog.
We're running that shit back. 'Cause I need my tire. I was spinning fourth. When it
No
when it-
way.
when-
Did you
ask
really?
him, dude. With him in the car, when it shifts in the fourth,
I wasn't there,
it
but I
keeps
saw the
skirting.
footage.
Hop in Colin's car, new to him. Damn, is this a race car? Yo, that shit's slow, dude. This would have beat it. so we're currently back in Richmond, Virginia, and I wanted to go ahead and properly close out today's video. And you guys saw, you know, we have full bolt-on Hades versus full bolt-on Apollo from a 60 roll. At the end of the day though, it's just nothing but fun. We don't take racing like that, especially against ourselves, that serious. We were just off a whim, wanted to see how the cars performed. But I definitely have to go and get this car subpar level of Apollo and then rerun. You know, it is lacking some crucial modifications that Apollo has that this car doesn't. One of them being, you know, some weight reduction. The interior of Apollo, you guys know, he went with GT350 non-heated and cooled Recaros, which I don't know if they make heated and cooled Recaros, but you know, you shed some weight there. And another big modification that this car needs is a drive shaft of some sort, whether it's a carbon one like Apollo or just, you know, regular aluminum. Those drive shafts definitely help these 10R80 automatic cars big time. So you know, once I do that and get my wheel and tire setup on, I definitely want to rerun them. I think it's I know for a fact it'll be closer than what it was this time around, because I'll have more supporting mods to help me in my favor. But yeah, Apollo is as good as it's gonna get, boys, without cams. So take notes if you want to go that route to where you're definitely going to be spending a little bit more money. Let me get my seatbelt on. If you want to go max effort on an NA 10R80 car, Apollo's build is definitely what you want to do, but you will be spending more money. Do your research. Ported Cobra Jet setups are not cheap, and you know, they got that thing dialed in with the mono blade throttle body, which is really cool because you don't see many cars running that. But yeah, Apollo eats, boys. Apollo eats, and I'm looking forward to round 2, to be honest with you. Really looking forward to round 2. I think it's gonna be damn good. The next like big performance mods that this car will get, we've talked about it time and time again, it's just going to be a VMP of some sort, whether it's the Odin or Loki. And you know, we're just going to cut some corners there and just make stupid power out of this 10 speed. So but yeah, all in all, it was fun. Jake, appreciate you running the car just to kind of see where it's at right now. We will be back for round 2. I got to get some stuff rolling on this car to make it a little more of a better comparison to see what you're getting when you have an on-kill you know, ported manifold, stock throttle body versus a on-kill Cobra Jet car. And I just want to thank you all so much for watching. We have some really cool things coming up here in the next few days, so make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Drop a like up on this video, and let me know what you guys think. Let me know what setups you all are running. If we have more Cobra Jet guys in the area that, you know, don't necessarily have all the supporting mods Jake has, I would love to run you and just kind of see where we stand with that. Anyway, guys, thank you all so much for your continued support. Have a blessed rest of your day, and we will check you Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern time for another video. But until next time, we'll catch you later.